At last year's summit of the Forum on China-Africa Cooperation, China has announced a zero-tariff policy for 100% of tariff items for all the least developed countries with diplomatic relations with China, including 33 African countries. And you're currently doing business in Yiwu, China. So in your view, how important is the Chinese market to Africa?
I mean, if you see it clearly, the Chinese market is very important for Africa. Why is that? Because China is a market of 1.3 billion consumers, and Africa right now, which is a growing and emerging continent, need a market like China, because in terms of trade, for example, from my own experiences in EU, right now we seeing like with this zero tariff policy for several countries of Africa, we have more export from Africa to China now in those products like coffee, agricultural product in general. In EU, for example, on a daily basis, we are experiencing this because a lot of traders like myself are trying to tap into this opportunity to send goods to China. So it is very important for African to trade with China, and these policies are very welcome.
With the development of China-Africa trade, what new changes in trade methods have you seen between EU and Africa?
A lot of great things, because right now, if you see in EU now, we have smart and bounded warehouses, and for example, for instance, Djibouti EU platform, which is allow the products from Djibouti to get into China without facing or without having any issue in terms of custom declarations and stuff. We have more developed and smart tools that we can use from EU to ship goods out of China. We are looking for partnership in terms of economic, let's say, and investment as well. So we are expecting a lot of good outcomes from this year Expo, signing deals, allowing more African product from African nation to get into China market.